Yeah, today we're installing a 15 tooth sprocket on the cfmoto 450 MT. Hey, would you mind just hitting that subscribe button before we go on? Doesn't cost you anything, helps me out enormously. Okay, let's go. Yeah, so the first thing we have to do is undo this. It's a 4mm hex head. We'll just take that off. Then we have some 5mm Allen key heads there, and another one under there. So we'll remove them. Once they're removed, you should be able to wiggle that bracket out. And there we are, access to the sprocket. Yeah, the first thing we have to do is this little washer there that's been crimped up. We need to flatten that out so we can undo the bolt. Actually, I'll need a smaller screwdriver for that. So I've done one side, there's another side there that needs to be done as well. Yep, so we just undo that nut, take off the washer, crush washer, and then we can pull that out. I'll probably just loosen off the back wheel now, make that a little bit easier. So yeah, I've loosened the back wheel so the chain's looser. Just simply slip that on, which it does. And now I've just got to put the crush washer back on, the nut, tighten the nut up of course, and then crush the crush washer again. So I've got that on, done the crush washer, just now I've got to put the cover back on, linkage back on, and readjust the chain and tighten the back wheel. There we go, it's all back together. Wheel tightened up, chain adjusted, ready to go. Thanks for watching, guys.